This has inspired me. Look at that. That's beautiful. Crazy. Look at that! It's even better! Another shift here at the Trixton store. Dehan has just discovered.
My pet bird.
You never played with this toy as a kid?
This bird will not lean on anyone else's finger but mine. Ew.
You never played with that though? You've never seen one of those?
No, I've never seen it. Look I told it to spin.
You're so weird,
Just
dude.
my finger. Actually, Aang, the last airbender.
He was like, I was holding it, and he didn't understand what I was doing, and then I put it on his finger, and then the kid lights up like it's Christmas morning.
I'm using my mind to balance this fluorescent bird. Want me to spin? Oh.
You're spinning as the bird spins.
So if this isn't the coolest thing you've seen your whole life, welcome to a new age. I'm about to change the world.
My channel is just like behind the scenes of your channel. That's what we do for fun.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging.
The video's not loaded yet. It's like, this is gonna look really urgent because this number left 2 voicemails. It has like 5 missed calls.
Dehan's across the way. We're calling him on this phone. And
That's what happens when you should be working.
what do we, star 67?
Is it star 67?
Is it star 69?
I don't remember.
I think it's star 67. Sounds like a car commercial.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
I saw this the other day. I almost bought it the other day. I didn't. Saw these guys this morning. Now I'm here. Haley would be so proud. 20 bucks, babe. Stocked up.
What'd you get?
Well, you guys aren't doing Christmas, so I have
get
to
this.
supply all the Christmas
You
this
gotta
year.
get this.
That's for a dog. I don't have a dog.
Wow. Do you have a Santa hat? Are you gonna be Santa? for
Oh,
Christmas?
I need a Santa hat.
I might buy this right now.
Dehan can't, dude, it's not even Halloween. You bought 2 Halloween costumes. You're worse than a 3-year-old.
I know, but this is awesome.
All right, let's go, boys.
And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92.
Easy enough. Heck yeah. I love this.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
There's some empty space. I'll give you that. But it's mine. I love it. There's really only one way to do this. Well, tonight was awesome. I got stockings for me, Haley, and the babes, Nala. I got our tree set up. Don't have any ornaments on it yet because I didn't buy the hooks. I need a couple more things of lights, but otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. Eventually we'll get some more stuff, obviously, but first time Christmas on my own, I think it's cool. And if you're one of those people who are probably typing in the comments right now, Tyler, it's not even Thanksgiving. You can suck a fart.
the halls with boughs of holly. Deck the halls with boughs of